Welcome friends, family, and strangers to another unboxing. Bertucci. Now they were founded in 2003 by Michael Bertucci in the United States, specializing in high-performance field watches designed for durability, functionality, and comfort. Their headquarters are in Illinois. The company focuses on rugged timepieces suited for outdoor enthusiasts, military personnel, and adventurers. Their watches are primarily designed and assembled in the United States, with components like the Miyato's and Seiko or the Rondon Stella Swiss. Ports movements in materials such as titanium, stainless steel, ballistic nylon, sourced worldwide. Known for their patented unibody case active comfort design. The water resistance NATO style straps. The brand enthusiasts. The brand emphasizes reliability and versatility. Let's get started by opening this box. It's nice and taped up, so let's use a shrink. Let's go this way. I don't want to. It looks nice. It's a nice little packaging. Ooh, I need to sharpen this. There we go. Still need to cut it open, man. Honestly, I don't think he's going to care about the plastic, so let's get crazy with it. The box is nice. It's like recycled material or so. Now, I do have another watch to compare it with. We'll take a look at that too, but let's take a look at the box. Ultimate Field Watch. Nice. Durability and design, you'll feel it the moment you wrap a Bertucci watch around your wrist. You'll notice the field-proven, innovative, and ergonomic design. Watches use a high-performance materials, components, and premium features. That's no accident. It's the result of our durability by design process to ensure we exceed your expectations. Questions, websites, all that good stuff. Right, you can take a moment to read this yourself. Pause it. Go on to number 4, 3-year warranty. There's a 3-year warranty. It's pretty nice. Keep your reach out of children. You don't replace your batteries yourself as it requires special tools and skills. I think I have those skills, and I do have the tools. Here in the bottom, it's kind of nice. I like that. Recycled, like I said. Or did I say that? I don't think I said that. Yeah, plastic. But the cardboard box does look like it's a created and recycled. Alright, let's open it up. Or you can look at the website. Hey, look. Need a note to customer. Active country. I think I know how to use a watch, guys. Oh, we take this out. Full tab with watch. Ooh. Manual. I like this little stand. It's cool. I like the color. Yeah, this is the DX3 Super, by the way. Didn't mention that, did I? Check it out. This is nice. Let's get this plastic off. Alright. Look, it's got that extra lens for the date. Oh, that is real nice. That's cool. Let's get it going. Tickety tack. Set the time too first. Ooh, it's nice. It's nice. Feels good. What time is it? What time is it? Alright, it looks like it's midday. 5. I'm not going to do the seconds. This watch was donated to the channel for only opening, unboxing, giving it back to my brother. That's nice. I like it. I like the lens here. Get a good look at the date. What's today's date? Today is the 25th, man. Who knows how long it'll take for me to edit this, but look, it's a really nice watch, man. It's got the nylon. Let's take that off. Oh, I'm gonna have to. No, we're not gonna have to do anything to cut this off. There we go. So yeah, let's show you the Bertucci style. So their frame here is one piece, so you can't use a regular strap in this. You got to use a NATO. You have to use a NATO. You have to use a NATO strap. NATO. Nice. DX3 case. Use patent. Take this off. You gotta get that full-on look to it. Oh yeah. So it tells you what kind of battery it is. It's a 621 battery. You got water resistance at 100 meters. That's 330-ish feet. This is nice. Field reinforced poly resin. It's really strong stuff. Alright, the crystal is an R-type hardened mineral crystal. This is really nice. I like it. I do like the strap it came with. That desert tan. Very nice. Very nice. Let's take a look at the strap that he picked up. Nice. I like the color. I like the color a lot. Ooh. Let's see what the brand is. What's the Chinese brand? Watch dives. Is that what they're called? Not watch dive? Nylon watch dive? Really nice strap. Alright, the case is. Well, let's do 93. 39.8. Our strap size is 22. Lug to lug is a 47. Nice. Let's try to do the. I really like the placement of the crown, the 4 o'clock, along with the date as well. That was really nice. I like that. Thickness 11. 10.8. 10.8. All right. Yeah, I want to do the crown size. It's hard to get to. I feel like that's it right there. 6.4. Nice. It's so light. That resin, dude, makes it so light. Nice with the strap on. We got one more thing to do. Have to close the lights. This is more supple. It's nice. This is really stiff, but it's probably stronger, much stronger than this. So if you're going outside, you're planning to go on hiking or doing anything in the field, put this one back on. But when you want to do some style, you do it with this. See what it looks like on the wrist. I got a 7 flat inch wrist. There we go. That is slick. I like it. I like it a lot. Oh, that's comfortable. That's really comfortable. What do you guys think? It's pretty slick. Really slick. Like the colors. You get the 24 hours. Yeah, let's take it off again. We're gonna have to test the Lumens next. Alright, let's take a look at the Lumens. Ooh. Just a little more light. Give it a few more seconds. As if the sun was hitting it. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's turn off the monitor. Monitors in the way. Both monitors. Yeah, that's pretty dark there. Ooh, the second hand's got it. Usually watches don't have a little lumens or not on the second hand. Oh yeah. Sorry about the focus. Nice. The hands are really bright. I how bright the hands are. Alright, let's open it up. Okay, there we are, guys. Really nice watch. Price is about between $90 to $120, depending where you get it. This was purchased on Amazon. We got a Japanese movement in here. So let's do a comparison of the other version of this watch. Also, it looks like the frame is exactly the same. It's definitely heavier. Now this is the... Forgive me for a moment. Let's see the name of it. This one is the A2R. Also DX3. This is not the Super. Can't see it there, so let's zoom in. Alright, this is, yeah, the DX3 design. Swiss luminous. Same type of battery. For this guy, oh my god, it's so much more smoother. I love the strap. Yeah, and this is the DX3 Super. Also Japanese movement, Swiss luminous. I wonder what the number means. I don't know what the number means. I like the dog, it looks like a dog. The AR2. Both frame has the 4 o'clock placement for it. It's definitely nice. I like the Super, especially for the lens, the actual lens for the date. That is nice. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. Heck yeah. Thank you for stopping by and watching the video. Enjoy the watch unboxing. Alright, until next time. You know, it's the field proven, innovated, and an ergonomic, jeez. Innovated,